Hi everyone. So today I'm going to read Bear Snores On, and this is written by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Enjoy. In a cave in the woods, in its deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with the small, hot spark. The coals pit pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. He's sleeping through everything. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho," Mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burp. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But guess what? The bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor when a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. What's a wren and a raven? The wren and the raven. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter. But guess what? The bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at them, they're all partying and dancing in there. Silly animals. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... what do you think is going to happen? Achoo! He blew and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. What's that bear going to say now? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. The animals are running. I don't think that bear's very happy. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me? I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Well, that's a nice little mouse. But that bear looked kind of sad. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear day, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great day.